So, hello Ethan. So, today is our session 5 and ngayong session 5 is, ang gagawin natin is, yung binasa mo noon is uulitin lang natin ngayon. Kung may natutunan, and gagawa din tayo ng mga post-test activity, yung mga ginawa mo noon na mga activity is gagawin natin ulit para matignan natin or may test natin kung may natutunan ka na sa mga session na ginawa natin. So, basahin ulit yung story.
Dasinga sang Nilautama, an imaginative, adventurous king was restless by nature of wanted to travel to far away place. He loved hunting wild animals, so when he heard that there were states in the jungles of Tanjung Bentam which were not easy to hunt, he was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjung Bentam. When the king arrived upon the island, he and his subject had a hunting expedition that lasted several hours, slaying many wild and savage beasts, but no stags. This disappointed the king, for he had a sense of unfulfillment in his heart. Suddenly, a large stag darted out of bus in front of Sang Nilautama, giving the king a shock, but the king drew his silver dagger and was nowhere to be seen. There was a large rock. The king climbed it and looked gallant and sea spread out around him. In the distance, he saw a stretch of white sand, an island. Sang Nilautama was fascinated by the sight of the island. He turned to one of his subjects. We had followed him. What is the name of the island? The subject looked into the distance and smiled. That is Temasek, Your Highness. Then we are going there. The king ordered his fleet to set sail, and they begin on their journey toward the island. Suddenly, the once clear blue skies were covered with black clouds. Heavy rain poured from them, and strong bursts of wind threatened to the eye of the storm. The crew lowered the sails, started to bail the water from the ship, and get most of the cargo for jettisoning. However, an idea came to the king's head. He remembered a story his grandfather told him of how one of his ancestors became the Sea King, and his crown was the only thing which belonged to his ancestor. He removed his crown, immediately threw it into the sea. All at once the storm broke. As suddenly as it started, the skies began to clear, and the crew gave a shout of joy and set sail once more to the island of Temasek. When the king stepped upon the island,
The island.
creature stepped out of nowhere, and the king and his men were awestruck by the
Awestruck.
by the magnificent creature. It was large and moved with grace, had a black head covered in a furry mane, a withy neck, and a red body. When the king drew his bow and arrow, the beast started back at him with golden eyes and let out a deafening roar before leaping into the jungle. What sort of animal was that? The king asked. A wise old man stepped forth. I have seen animals in portraits from the far west. Perhaps this is a singa, but I wonder how it got all the way here. This must be a great place if it breeds such a beautiful animal cell as
Let us
let us live here on the island of Singapore.
So ngayon is gagawin mo naman tong mga activities. Yung mga ginawa mo noon is uulitin mo lang. Tignan natin kung may pagbabago ba dun sa mga nakuha mo before at sa ngayon. So, sagutin mo yan, then kukunin ko na lang sa'yo mamaya.